The SLONUVLND Nonstick Griddle Pan for stove is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It's a 7.3-inch square pan. You can use it for cooking inside or even when you are grilling outside. This pan works on all kinds of stoves. For example, it works on gas stoves, electric stoves, and even induction stoves. The SLONUVLND Nonstick Griddle Pan for stove helps you make yummy food. This grill pan has a special nonstick surface. Because of this, food does not stick to the pan. It makes cooking easier, and cleaning up is also very simple. You won't have to scrub hard to remove grease or food residue. Just a simple washcloth and some water will do the trick. The square shape is great for cooking things like bacon and small groups of vegetables. It can help you make a quick dinner without much fuss. The SLONUVLND Nonstick Griddle Pan for stove is designed to make your cooking experience better. It heats up evenly, so your food cooks just right. The small size is also easy to handle and store in your kitchen. While it might not be a beater for big meals, it's perfect for cooking smaller portions. It's a handy manual tool for your daily cooking needs, and it could even make your wife happy with its easy cleanup. This pan is a great addition to any kitchen. Pros: all stove types, great for bacon, good for steaks, for chicken wings, grilled cheese ready. Browns onions well, quick breakfast aid, food heats evenly, avoids food burning, filters excess oil, healthier cooking, leaves grill marks. Cons: not ideal for high heat, can't get smoky flavor, may be hard to clean, difficult to store. No outdoor grill feel, might produce some smoke, food can sometimes burn, not oven safe features. Non-stick surface, griddle pan, stove top use 7.3-inch size, indoor cooking, outdoor grilling, square shape, frying pan, grill skillet. All stoves. This SLONUVLND Griddle Pan is a square-shaped, non-stick pan that's 7.3 inches wide. You can use it on all kinds of stoves, like gas, electric, and induction. It's good for cooking inside your house or outside, and you can use it to fry or grill food. The non-stick surface helps keep food from sticking. This 7.3-inch square SLONUVLND Nonstick Griddle Pan works on all stovetops and is great for making bacon, steaks, and grilled cheese. It helps food heat evenly and avoids burning. Plus it lets extra oil drain away for healthier cooking and leaves grill marks. However, it's not ideal for very high heat, won't give food a smoky flavor, and might be a bit hard to clean and store. Also, it doesn't feel like outdoor grilling and isn't safe for oven use. And sometimes food might still burn or produce some smoke.